What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Thousand Oaks today. First time I've been to Nike Westlake during the day. Let's go see what's up. Usually I always try to come here like first thing in the open right after they open, but yeah, it didn't work out that way. But I came up on Panda Dunk, so who cares? All right, let's go see what they got. 30% off entire store. I actually see a line here. You never see a line. That's insane. All right, let's go see if they got a heat wall, if they got stuff on sale. I don't know. Oh, no heat wall today. No heat wall. Oh, wait, this is their heat wall. Not really too much. A couple of Lucas. Jordan 7. Some of you guys did let me know that they did have the Jordan 13 University Blues. UNCs, they did have those. They allowed people to buy 10 per, so they're all gone. They only lasted like a day or two. All right, let's go see what's up over here. Let's go see what's up over here. Yep. This is the most packed I've ever seen this place. It's crazy. Kyrie Infinity. That's a 9.5, $120. Blazers. I've never seen this colorway. 115. This is a 10.5. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits going for $2. Edcons 9.5 going for 99. Pegasus Shield 38 going for 70. It's 39 size 10, go for 110. Dude, there's not really much to show you. It's in this clearance section, that is size 11. Terrascape 97s, go for 185. Size 13, go for 130. Size 15, Vaporfly Next Percent, go for 85. Size 14, Metcons, go for 100. Size 12, what college is this? The OTC? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Who is that? Who is that? Okay, Oregon something? I don't know. All right, $130 for those, size 12. Smaller sizes, really not much. 7.5, $120 for those. Kyrie's right there. And then also got Blazers, size 7, $110 for that. All right, let's go see what they got in the aisles. Man, I'm so sad about the 13s. You got the Soldiers. You got Hydro 6s. Got a whole whopping 2 sizes left. Got these on sale. More Soldiers. Jordan Access. Who cares, right? Then nothing really on the wall either. Air Max 2017s. 2090s. Couple of 2090s. Hirachis. Do got some Vapor Max 2021s. Remember, it is 30% off the entire store. Air Moabs. Air Max 90s. Only up to size. Oh, they got plenty of sizes. Up to size 14. Oops. Another one of those. Air Max 97s. Just 30% off and 30% off? I don't think so, but pretty decent price. Under $100. Only up to size 9.5. Oh, no. Got up to size 10. I swear those have been here for a while, though. GTS 97s. And another one of these 97s. And checking the performance area. Why are the Monarchs in the performance area? Nikes, I forgot. I need to return these. This is some trainers right here. Got it for my kiddo. Dang it. These were too narrow for him. I can start 9 4Es, free run 5s, free run 2s, Infinity 1 Flyknits. And that's pretty much about it. I don't really see anything on the wall right here that's not out and about. All right, we're gonna check out the apparel, see what I'm wearing. Some Pegasus. What is it, 35s, I think? 35s. And then wearing black and red. Also, Niners hat. We're going for it today. Hopefully you guys could see the Niners smash on everybody, or hopefully they smashed on everybody. Now think about it, this should be coming out, or is it, I don't know, I think this should be coming out Monday. Clearance apparel, 30% off. Let's see if there's anything worth getting. Nike hiking t-shirt right here. $45 the regular price. So you get an extra 30% off and then 30 on top of that? Is that how it works today? I think so. Oh. Nike Wheaties hoop shirt, $20. Udonis Haslam jersey, going for $80. These are all smalls though. The Blvd, that is a hilarious shirt. That is a hilarious shirt. Why do I think that's so funny? $25 for that one. That is a small. If you walk around with this, is that hilarious? I don't know. Do you got Hopkins jersey? The black one does look pretty dope. $110 regular price though. Dry fit shirts, XL, go for $38. Not really seeing too much. Another clearance section right here. Do got jerseys, but I don't think anything that great. San Antonio Blink jersey going for 90. Got a couple of those small, I think this is a medium, yep. Phoenix, is that a Phoenix Suns, like kind of like a practice jersey going for 120. Not really finding too much today. LeBron shirt for you LeBron fans out there, $20 XL. Got some sweats. These aren't sweats though. Is this snowboarding? Just snowboarding pants? I think these are snowboarding pants. Under $50, normally $95. Yeah, this is actually really nice though. $36.30. Oh, it's a golf, Nike golf. My bad. It's thick, dude. Some performance fleece right here. It's like gray and black. 85 down to 60. That is a large. Checking out jackets and hoodies. Jordan fleece jacket go for $100. That's regular price, so medium. I'm like, what is this? The hoop championship with the hoop? $45. Those are smalls. That's just a weird color. Clippers basketball hoodie, dry fit hoodie. These are larges. They go for $70. Number 80. Really thin. Nike. This is dry fit pullover going for $55. It's a large. That one's nice. Jordan hoodie. The flight hoodies going for $70. It's an XL though. There's a clot. I think this is the Jordan 5 clot jacket, I believe. Yeah, this is down to, yeah, that's the clot logo, right? I think this is what, $250 down, normally $350, and then you get that extra discount. That's not bad. I'm not a fan of the jacket, to be honest. The price, not bad. That is an XL right there. Not much else. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's section. Not really seeing too much in the guys. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's. Checking the women's clearance section, size 7.5. Blazer platforms go for $80. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $150. OGs, size 7.5, going for $60. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen that, especially with the discounts. Size 7, Air Max 90s going for $130. Size 10 all white Blazers go for $100. Size 10.5 Air Force One Scopes go for $110. Hirachis 11.5 going for $110. Dang, just not much. Comfort 11 lows go for $130. Let's check out the women's section. Look at this. That's the cheapest we've seen. Some Air Max 97s up to size 10 women's though, so 8.5 men's. Hirachis right there. What is this? What is this? Alligator skin, zebra skin. Man, that's a lot of craziness. $130. Air Max pre-days. I love that camo. Not a fan of the silhouette. Air Max 270s. Another one of those. Vapor Max 2020 Flyknits. Another one of those. Air Max 90. This one is fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This is fire. Women's up to size 10 at women's, 8.5 men's. One of the more milder trips here. Let's check out the women's performance section. Not really seeing much, dude. Damn, not much even worth showing y'all. Pegs 39s, Wade Flow 8s, Infinity Run Flyknits. This is actually pretty dope. Another one of those. Pegasus 38s. Another one of those. Ton of Pegasi right now. 39s. And I think that's the last one, dude. I've never seen a line of people here. This is dope. Dope. Maybe they might get more and more stuff. They've been getting a lot of heat already. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. You know, not the craziest trip. They had stuff that's worth buying if, you know, that's stuff that you need, but nothing really super dope. Nothing that, you know, all of us are going to jump on. You know, 30% off, it is kind of tough, especially when they have certain sections where it's 30% off clearance, and then you get another 30. I believe you get 30 and 30 on top of that. I forgot to ask one of the workers, but I do believe that is the case. Pretty fire if you can find something. Can't find anything, you know, it is what it is, and that's what makes it tough. You know, like it's tough to go to multiple spots, you know, especially if, you know, there's no incentive for you, like you're not reselling and stuff like that. For me, it's worth it because I make videos for y'all, and I love looking around, and I love the thrill of the hunt. That's what keeps me going. So, but yeah, it is what it is. You can't win every time, but we try. but it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I got plenty of places to stop by and plenty of places to go check out. So got plenty of comments. See you guys next one. Peace.